Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna review one of the strategies for binary trading on pocket option. Also watch this video till the end to see my result from this strategy and you can take part of it, right? So share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances. Let's proceed. Okay, we on the broker. You can see $452 on my balance. We're gonna start with this amount. And today we have really promising strategy which consists of only one indicator, which is a vortex. Well, vortex consists of two oscillators, guys, that are based on the volatility of trading asset, and there's one regarding this indicator. We should use it when we see a clear trend on the chart. So yeah, again, clear trend. Now, flat situation is not for us for today, so let's get started. I'll update the amount. All right. Actually looks really promising, guys. Let's wait for a new candle to show up. All right, let's open long position here. Let me clarify. First of all, we take a look at the vortex. The green line just crossed the red one, and the green one is heating up, which tells us that this uptrend should continue. Previously, the price updated its local low here, right here, and I'm sure that the price will go up. Look at this pump. Before this candle, we have 29 sec, so everything is good. The green line on vortex is going to touch the overbought zone. Great trade entry. Let's enjoy the price movement. Nice, and we're in the profits. 777 on the balance. I guess that's a lucky sign. Let's continue. Even though the price dropped a little in the end, we are in the profits. Because we managed to catch an ideal trade entry level. So let's go. Well, the red line just crossed the green one, and we see the nice downtrend. Let's open short position here in the direction of the current trend. So the same situation, guys. We saw the same thing on the previous currency pair. We have a clear downtrend on the chart. I think the breakout is inevitable here. Have a look at the vortex, guys. The negative moving average is facing up and it will play out on the chart. Moreover, the price just updated its local high and it should go lower, so there's a second left before the expiration. New candle. All right, perfect trade entry. And there we go, nice timing, and we're in the profits, guys. We see $1,200 on the balance already. Nice start. We're gonna make much more, of course, so just wait for it. I'll show it to you. And the strategy works perfectly and easily. More flat, but actually we can consider this area as a small uptrend. The crossing just happened. I think the price will go to the upside in the direction of the current uptrend. So let's open long. Let's take a look at the vortex. The green line just crossed the red one, as I said, and here's the local uptrend, guys. I'll point out the trend line. The price will rebound from this level believe me, right? There's no doubt about it. And have a look at these green candle right after crossing on vortex. The price started going up. That's perfect. There we go, guys. Great trade entry level and perfect signal gave us a profit. So we're not gonna stop here. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading. Look at this massive dump, but I think it's too risky to open here, so let's take our time. Let's open short position right here. I think this correction will continue dominating, and again, we see a strong uptrend on the chart, but still the price should go lower because the red line just crossed the green one on the vortex. And by the way, the moving average touched the oversold zone recently, and after that we see this downward dynamics, and here's the crossing. So I think the price should go more lower. That's obvious. So we count on the continuation of this strong correction. And the next candle gonna be in 5 seconds. $3,600 on our balance. I guess that's a great result for now, but we're not stopping. Let's open more positions. Alright, let's make our 3 long positions here. Let's open it. We open with the trend. Let me show you one more time. Local uptrend, there it is. If you look at the vortex, right, we see that the positive line is facing upwards. The crossing was just about to happen, but the line reversed at the last moment, guys, which means that the upward dynamics should continue. And after this huge correction, the bulls should take over. In addition, we have this upper zone. By the way, just have a look at this beautiful and insane pump just already happened. And so easy, we got our $6,000 on the balance just in a few minutes, and we are in a big profit. Good job. Let's open a few more positions and then fix the profit. Flat, I don't think it makes sense to open it here. Not worth taking the risk. Local flat here, the pair is not that good. On the other hand, why don't we play out this correction? I think it makes sense, right? I think the price has to go lower. Yeah. The price has to go lower, as I said. So have a look at the vortex. We see that the negative line is in the upper part of the chart, which means the downward dynamic should continue, right? We also have this upper zone here, and the price should retest it according to a logic, because we have a flat here. So let's watch the price movement, guys. Kind of high volatility candle, but still our positions ended up in profits. Good job. There's $10,000 on our balance. Let's continue and open final positions. Same flat situation, but it's fine. Let's open our final long short positions, guys. We count on the continuation of the downward dynamics. And again, we see that the negative line is moving towards the overbought zone on vortex. Just look at this candle, guys. You see that? I like it. Perfect trade entry, by the way. Also, we don't have a clear trend on the chart. We can play it out this way. The price updated its local high recently, and now is the time for correction. Nice, all our positions is in profits, guys. That was insane. You see that we have $17,000. Let's move on to withdrawal. I'm pretty sure I'm fine with this profit, and you will take part from it. Alright, continue button, and transaction is being successfully completed. So that's the strategy for today. I'll attach the screenshot at the end of the video. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram. Have a good market. Bye bye.